Hi, good day, learners. It's me again, Teacher Ivy, your TLE cookery teacher. For today's lesson, we are going to continue about recognized kitchen tools and equipment to be clean and sanitized. Here is the list of cooking tools that are commonly found in the kitchen. Cans, bottles, cartons, opener. Is used to open a food container easily and comfortably grip and turn knob. Colanders are also called a vegetable strainer are essential for various tasks from cleaning vegetables to straining pasta or contents. Cutting boards are wooden or plastic board where meat, fruits, and vegetables can be cut. Funnels are used to fill jars made of various sizes of stainless steel, aluminum, or plastic. Garlic press is a kitchen tool which is specifically designed for the purpose of plopping garlic. Graters are used to grate, shred, slice, and separate foods such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. Kitchen shears. They are practical for opening food packages, cutting tape or string, or simply removing labels or tags from items. Potato masher is used for mashing cooked potatoes, turnips, carrots, or other soft-cooked vegetables. Rotary egg beater, used for beating small amount of eggs or butter. The beater should be made of stainless steel. Scraper, a rubber or silicone tool to blend or scrape the food from the bowl, metal, silicone, or plastic egg turner or flippers. Serving spoons, utensils consisting of a small, swallow bowl on a handle used in preparing, serving, or eating food. Serving tongs enable you to grab easily and transfer larger food items, poultry or meat, proportion to a serving platter, hot dip fryer and plate. It gives you a bit better grip, especially when used with a deeper fryer, a large stock pot, or at the barbecue. Is used to level of ingredients when measuring and to spread frosting and sandwich fillings. Spoons, solid, slatted, or perforated, which are made of stainless steel or plastic. Temperature scales are used to measure heat intensity. Different thermometers are used for different purposes in food preparation. For meat, candy, or deep fat frying, and other small thermometers are hung or stand in ovens or refrigerator to check the accuracy of the equipment thermostat. Whisk. It is used for blending, mixing, whipping eggs or butter, and for blending gravies, sauces, and soups. Wooden spoons are used for creaming, stirring, and mixing. They should be made of hardwood. List of measuring tools that are commonly found in the kitchen. First, measuring cup for liquid ingredients are commonly made up of heat-proof glass and transparent so that liquid can be seen. Household scales are used to weigh large quantity of ingredients in kilos, commonly in rice, flour, sugar, legumes or vegetables, and meat, up to 25 pounds. Scoops or drippers are used to measure serving of soup food such as fillings, ice cream, and mashed potato. Kinds of knives according to use. First, French knife is used to chop, slice, or mince food. Heavy knives have a sober or flat grind. Fruit and salad knife is used to prepare vegetables and fruits. Kitchen knives, often preferred to as cooks or chef's tools, used for all types of kitchen tasks, such as peeling an onion, slicing carrots, carving a roast or turkey, etc. Citrus knife has two-sided blade and serrated edge. It is used to section citrus and fruits. Paring knife is used to core, peel, and section fruits and vegetables. Blades are short, concave, with hollow ground. Vegetable peeler is used to scrape vegetables such as carrot and potatoes and to peel fruits. The best ones are made of stainless steel with sharp double blade that swivels. List of cooking equipment that are commonly found in the kitchen. Equipment may refer to a small electrical appliance such as mixer or a large expensive powered operated appliances such as range or refrigerator. Refrigerator or freezer are necessary in preventing bacterial infection from foods. Most refrigerators have a special compartment for meat, fruits, and vegetables to keep the moisture content of each type of food. Next is oven, a chamber or compartment used for cooking, baking, heat, heating, or drying. Microwave ovens, used for cooking or heating food. Blenders are used to chop, blend, mix, whip, puree, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. That's all for this video lesson, guys. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching and God bless you, everyone.